Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It is said that our lives are not shaped by what happens to us, but by how we respond to those events. But how can we maintain composure in a world full of turbulence? Stoicism, with principles proven over centuries, has served as a guiding light for great leaders and those seeking balance amidst chaos. More than just a philosophy, Stoicism offers practical approaches to facing life's greatest challenges. Let us explore how you can apply these lessons to rebuild and transform your life into something meaningful, sustainable, and practical. Don't miss out, as these insights may forever change the way you live. 1. Navigating life with Stoicism. Life often places us in unpredictable situations. Stoicism is a powerful tool for navigating life by focusing on what is within your control. Instead of trying to change everything around you, Stoicism teaches you to change how you perceive and respond to those events. Start with a basic mindset. You cannot control everything, but you can fully control how you react. This perspective prevents you from getting trapped in unnecessary expectations or anxiety. Stoicism teaches that true direction in life doesn't come from seeking an easy path, but from embracing challenges and using them for growth. Rather than dwelling on what cannot be changed, focus on your actions and the things you can control right now. Navigating life with Stoicism is not just about learning to live calmly. It is a powerful reminder that you can live in alignment with your values despite any hardship. This is how you build a clear, focused, and meaningful life. 2. Embrace the present, instead of worrying about the future. We often get caught up in worries about tomorrow, but this only makes us miss the precious moments right in front of us. Stoicism encourages you to focus on the present, as it is the only place where you truly have control. Think about channeling your energy into what you can do right now, instead of being consumed by things that have not yet happened. Worrying about the future creates pressure and insecurity, while acting in the present brings real change. This does not mean abandoning plans, but rather not letting fear of the future overshadow your current opportunities. Stoicism teaches that by focusing on what is happening now, you not only reduce anxiety, but also fully enjoy the simple things in life. Every decision you make at this moment is a crucial step toward the future you desire. Remember, the present is the most valuable gift you have. Use it to do meaningful things instead of letting it slip away in unnecessary worries. This is the essence of Stoicism, living with focus and without regrets. 3. Facing adversity with courage. Life is inevitably filled with challenges and hardships. Stoicism teaches that instead of avoiding them, we should face them with courage and composure. Difficulties are not enemies, they are lessons that help us grow and become stronger. Stoicism encourages you to see adversity as an opportunity to test your limits and strengthen yourself. By choosing to stand firm in the face of challenges, you not only build inner strength, but also demonstrate your ability to overcome any obstacle. Focus on what you can do right now, rather than worrying or complaining about things beyond your control. This approach not only helps you maintain calmness, but also gives you a sense of control in uncertain situations. Facing adversity with courage does not mean you are fearless. It means you are willing to move through your fear to move forward. This is the strength Stoicism provides, a steadfast confidence to confront the unavoidable difficulties of life. 4. Reducing dependence on material possessions. In a world where material wealth is often seen as the measure of success, Stoicism offers a completely different perspective. True value lies not in what you own, but in how you live. Over-reliance on material possessions not only diminishes your freedom, but also makes you vulnerable when those things are lost. Stoicism encourages you to focus on what cannot be taken away: your character, intellect, and inner peace. When you stop chasing material wealth, you realize that true happiness does not come from external things, but from how you appreciate and enjoy what you already have. Try living more simply. View what you own as tools, not goals. Material abundance does not guarantee spiritual richness. Reducing dependence on material possessions is the first step to freeing your mind from unnecessary pressures. Ultimately, it is not about how much you own, but how you use what you have to create value in life. Stoicism is not just a philosophy, but an invitation to become freer and lighter in spirit. 5. valuing self-awareness and self-discipline. Stoicism emphasizes that life becomes clearer and more meaningful when you understand yourself and maintain discipline in your actions. Self-awareness is the first step to recognizing your strengths, weaknesses, and true goals. It is the key to living a life aligned with your core values. Self-discipline helps you build positive habits and resist constant temptations. Stoicism does not advocate harshness, but instead focuses on cultivating willpower so you can control your thoughts, emotions, and actions. By combining self-discipline with self-awareness, you not only grow personally, but also create a solid foundation to face any challenges. Take time each day to reflect. Are you truly living according to your values? This practice, guided by Stoicism, helps you find inner peace and avoid being swept away by the pressures and chaos of the external world. Valuing self-awareness and self-discipline is the path to achieving true freedom. When you understand who you are and act in accordance with what you believe, life becomes more meaningful and balanced than ever before. 6. Finding happiness in simplicity. Happiness does not have to come from grand achievements. Stoicism reminds us that true joy often emerges from the small moments we tend to overlook. A quiet morning, a meaningful conversation, or simply the relief after a long day. These are the things that build lasting happiness. Stoicism teaches that simplicity frees us from the pressure of chasing societal standards or accumulating more to feel fulfilled. Instead of seeking happiness from external sources, focus on what you already have and learn to appreciate each moment in life. Practice enjoying the simple things. Time with family, the peace of nature, or just a quiet moment to reflect. These small joys not only bring happiness, but also lighten your soul. Finding happiness in simplicity does not mean abandoning ambition, it means rediscovering balance. This is a vital lesson from Stoicism, helping you live a peaceful and meaningful life, starting with the smallest things. 7. Letting go of resentment and practicing forgiveness. Resentment is like an invisible burden that tires and holds your soul back. Stoicism teaches that letting go of resentment is not an act of weakness, but a way to free yourself from the negative emotions that trap you. Forgiveness is not for others, it is for yourself, so you can move forward without being bound by the past. Stoicism encourages you to view others' mistakes and actions with understanding. Everyone has flaws, and the harm they cause often stems from their own weaknesses. When you choose to forgive, you not only free yourself from pain, but also demonstrate maturity in thought and emotion. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting or accepting all wrongdoing. It is a choice to not let the past dictate your present and future. Let forgiveness become a tool that helps you build inner peace and focus on what truly matters. Letting go of resentment and practicing forgiveness brings relief and opens the door to living a more balanced and liberated life. It is an essential part of the journey that Stoicism guides you on, living fully without being weighed down by emotional burdens. 8. Cultivating humility and confidence. In Stoicism, humility and confidence are not opposites, they complement each other to create a grounded and realistic individual. Humility allows you to view yourself honestly and avoid arrogance, while confidence provides the strength to act according to your values. Stoicism teaches that when you recognize yourself as a small part of the larger picture of life, the pressure to constantly prove yourself diminishes. Humility does not mean losing personal value. Instead, it opens you up to continuous learning and growth. However, humility does not mean lowering yourself. Confidence, when built on a foundation of understanding and self-awareness, brings genuine strength. This helps you act decisively, face challenges, and take risks without hesitation. Cultivating humility and confidence is a balanced journey of learning when to listen and knowing when to speak up. When you achieve this balance, you live in harmony with yourself and naturally attract respect and admiration from others. This is the core essence of Stoicism, living authentically, powerfully, and humbly. 9. Nurturing the mind through clear thinking. Your mind is the most powerful tool for shaping your life, and Stoicism teaches that how you use it determines your peace and happiness. Stoicism encourages practicing clear thinking, focusing on clarity, reason, and self-control. Clear thinking begins with asking, does this truly matter? By learning to distinguish between what is essential and what is not worth your attention, you reduce stress and allocate your energy to more valuable pursuits. This approach helps you avoid getting entangled in unnecessary conflicts or distractions. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of regular reflection, questioning whether your actions align with your core values. This practice helps you develop logical thinking, free from the influence of emotions or external pressures. Nurturing your mind through clear thinking not only brings tranquility but also allows you to make more precise decisions in life. This is how you move closer to inner freedom and live a life of clarity and meaning. Stoicism doesn't just teach you how to think, it guides you in turning thought into a tool for purposeful action. 10. Continuous self-improvement and personal growth. Stoicism encourages us to view life as a continuous journey of learning. There is no perfect endpoint, and self-improvement is the driving force for daily progress. Stoicism teaches that regardless of your current circumstances, you can always become a better version of yourself. Self-improvement is not only about gaining knowledge, but also about cultivating your mindset, discipline, and core values. Each day, ask yourself, what can I do to get closer to my goals? Small, consistent actions can lead to significant changes over time. Stoicism also emphasizes that self-development is not about comparing yourself to others, but about surpassing your own limitations. By focusing on incremental improvements, you will feel freer, more confident, and better able to take control of your life. Continuous self-improvement and personal growth are commitments to yourself, to keep learning, keep improving, and keep living according to your values. This is the essence of Stoicism, an endless journey toward growth and meaning. What you've just discovered is not merely a philosophy, but a key to building a deeper, more meaningful life. Stoicism not only helps you overcome challenges, but also paves the way for you to become the best version of yourself. If these lessons have inspired you, share this video with your loved ones. They might also be searching for the same peace and direction as you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to ensure you never miss any valuable content. Your support is the driving force behind our mission to bring meaningful videos to you. Thank you for spending your time exploring Stoicism with us.